What is going on, everybody? This is me, Hassan, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can mount your device like that as a drive ladder on your Windows. So not like that, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can do that. It will take a minute or so let's begin. So first of all, let me disconnect my device and reconnect it. So as you can see, I have reconnected it. The next step would be to enable the MTP or the mass storage option on your device. So this is now enabled, and as you can see, I can see only this thing, not the drive ladder thing. So the next step will be to download the software. I have put the link in the description so you can download it. Then you have to just go and refresh, click on refresh, and like net, yes, and wait a minute, and now you can see that my device is mounted to a drive ladder. So this is that easy. You can do it in a minute or so. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you like this video. Thank you very much.